Hey guys, today in this video, I'm going to tell you about how to change color theme on ClickUp.com. So ClickUp is actually a database software where you can collaborate, work on data, and do many collaborating things with your employees or your colleagues. So you can do a variety of things here on ClickUp. And I would say it's one of the most important applications for you if you work in a corporation or you have a team and you need to work with your team. You need to cooperate with your team and have a collaborative work approach. Then I would say ClickUp is the best place for you to be. So, in order to log into ClickUp, you need to make an account. You just need to put your email and your password, and you will be good to go. No complex sign up. And once when you make an account and log in, you'll reach here. And this is where all the magic happens. This is the home page, and you can do a lot of things like assign tasks, look for your projects, analyze your projects, and do a lot of a plethora of things you can easily do here. So the first thing that you need to do is you need to log into ClickUp. Once when you do, we need to click here on the top right corner and go to settings right here. And once when you are here, in order to change your theme color, you can see you can choose a variety of theme colors right here, like red, purple, orange, green, and teal. You can choose all these colors, any color that you like. And I'm going to go with this. You can also change your appearance as well. Like, do you want an auto appearance, a light appearance, or a dark appearance? That's completely up to you. And you can also turn on contrast, text, and borders. That's also completely up to you. And when you click on save changes, the changes will be saved and you'll have your new theme color and contrast right there. So you can see I have the new theme color right here, but I don't like it that much. I'm going to change it to pink or dark red. Yeah, that's better. Let's go with this one and see how it goes. Yes, this one is better as well. And I'm going to go with this one. I like this one. So that's the main way to do it. So I hope you found this video informative. If you did, I would request you to please like this video in order to see more content related to ClickUp.com and many other application softwares as well. And I would also request you to subscribe to the channel. And I'm going to see you next time with more content like this. Until then, take care of yourself.